Understanding the probation period in employment. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common term used in the workplace, the probation period. Understanding this concept is crucial, especially if you're planning to work in an English-speaking country or in international environments. Let's dive into what it means and why it's important. The probation period is a specific time frame at the beginning of employment. It's like a trial period where both the employer and the employee assess if they are a good fit for each other. This period can vary in length, often ranging from a few weeks to several months, depending on the company and the job role. The primary goal of the probation period is to evaluate the employee's performance, skills, and overall suitability for the position. It's a time for the employee to prove themselves and for the employer to provide necessary training and feedback. It's also an opportunity for the employee to understand the company culture and decide if the job aligns with their career goals. During the probation period, employees usually have the same rights as other employees, but there might be some differences, such as in notice periods for leaving the job. It's important for employees to know what is expected of them and to understand any differences in their rights during this period. Regular feedback sessions are often part of the process, helping employees to improve and succeed. Successfully completing the probation period usually leads to permanent employment. However, if either party feels the fit isn't right, this period allows for a smoother and less complicated parting of ways. It's crucial for employees to seek feedback and understand where they stand as the end of their probation approaches. That's all about the probation period. We hope this video has helped clarify this important aspect of employment. Remember, the probation period is not just an assessment but also a valuable learning experience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep growing.